how to reply to post on Threads app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'll show you how to reply to post on Instagram Threads so you can join conversations and interact with others. So let's get started. First, open the Threads app. Make sure you're logged into your account and then scroll to your feed or search for a specific post and just tap on the post that you want to reply to. And now you can see reply to the username of the person at the very bottom. Just tap on it and then uh, you can see that private profiles can only reply to their followers. So make sure that your account is public. And then now a new text box will open up where you can type your reply. You can put in emojis, you can mention someone, or you can just type anything that you want to. And then you can see the post button. Just tap on post, and then that's it. That's how you reply to a post on Threads and join the conversation. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.